Advanced Guide to Afterpay API Integration. Afterpay is a popular payment method that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments. Integrating Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can enhance the shopping experience and increase conversions. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Afterpay API into your website. First, you need to create an Afterpay account and obtain an API key. The API key is used to authenticate your requests to the Afterpay server. You can find the API key in the Afterpay merchant dashboard. Once you have the API key, you can start integrating the Afterpay API into your website. The next step is to set up the payment flow. The payment flow involves redirecting the customer to the Afterpay payment page where they can enter their payment details and confirm the payment. You can use the Afterpay API to generate a payment token, which is used to redirect the customer to the payment page. To generate a payment token, you need to send a request to the Afterpay API with the payment amount and other relevant details. The Afterpay API will then respond with a payment token, which you can use to redirect the customer to the payment page. Once the customer has confirmed the payment, you will receive a notification from Afterpay with the payment details. You can then use this information to update the order status and fulfill the order. Best practices for integrating Afterpay API include handling errors and exceptions properly and testing the integration thoroughly before going live. You should also ensure that your website is secure and compliant with the relevant payment security standards. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can be a straightforward process if you follow the steps outlined in this guide. By providing a seamless payment experience, you can increase conversions and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Remember to handle errors and exceptions properly and test the integration thoroughly to ensure a smooth payment process.